Hey everyone, welcome to Trenton Free Public Library Adult Art Club. Today we will be making a DIY cup. So you will be provided your cup, straw lid, chunky and fine glitter, clear glue, epoxy putty, a measuring cup, a funnel, gloves, and a mask. All right, let's get to it. So the first thing you're gonna do is that you're gonna grab your cup. You're gonna see a hole in it. We drilled this for you. Then, then you're just gonna see if it fits around the funnel. All right, you're gonna set that to the side. You're gonna fill it up to 35 with water. Then you're gonna get your glue and you're gonna try to get to 50. We're gonna mix it. Just mix it well until you feel like it's really mixed. Now let's go a little bit more. All right. Okay, so you're going to grab your adhesive putty, epoxy. You're going to put your gloves on before you touch this. This has a really funny smell to it, so I suggest maybe turning on the fan, maybe cracking a window. Make sure to wear your mask. Okay, so you're going to grab it, a little bit of it. You're gonna put it to the side. You're gonna put the rest inside its container because this will dry really fast. And as I told you, it has a funny smell, and we might use it for another project. So keep it to the side, hold on to it. So as you can see, it's blue and white. You want it to become one color, you want it to become gray. So the more you mix it, the more the smell comes out. You'll notice it, but it's bearable. So you're just gonna keep mixing, keep mixing. Make sure you have gloves. You do not want to touch this without gloves. The gloves will be provided. The mask will be provided. We want you guys to be enjoying it, but you know, be safe also. All right. So as you can see, it's no longer this blue color. It's gray now. So you're gonna really mix it. This will get hard really fast, so you want to mix it. All right, I'm gonna grab a small piece because what we're trying to do is plug up this hole so we could turn the cup around, we could use it. I'm gonna grab a little piece. Kind of mess with it. Make it like a little ball. Try your best to cover the hole. You could always sand it later if you don't like how it looks. Try your best to cover it because you don't want any of your water coming out, because then your cup. So you see how mine's kind of went in a little bit? I'm going to put a little bit more. I'm going to make a ball again with my gloves on. I could always sand it later on. No one's going to see the bottom of my cup. And if they did, well, it's a DIY. I made it myself, so you should be proud. You'll make yours too. And we're gonna let it dry. And as you can see, I have stains because of the thing we put on the cup. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take off our gloves and then clean it. But you're gonna let this dry first. You could go around wiping it, but don't move the cup. Let it dry up to 24 hours, and then kind of check it, kind of touch it, and then flip your cup. We'll give you the end results in a little bit. We have to wait also.